Bodybuilding is more than just lifting weights. It's about sculpting your body into a work of art. It's about pushing your limits and discovering your true physical potential. But it's also about balance. True bodybuilding success requires a holistic approach. You need to focus on nutrition, training, and recovery. This essay will guide you through the basics of bodybuilding. It will provide you with the knowledge to start your journey. We'll explore the importance of nutrition, the science behind muscle growth, and the vital role of recovery. Get ready to transform your body and mind. Remember, bodybuilding is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency, dedication, and a genuine passion for the process. Let's embark on this journey together, step by step, rep by rep. Get ready to unleash your inner sculptor. You can't build a skyscraper without strong materials. Similarly, you can't build a strong, muscular physique without proper nutrition. Food is your fuel. It provides your body with the building blocks it needs to repair, recover, and grow. Think of your body as a high-performance engine. To function optimally, it needs the right type and amount of fuel. That's where macronutrients come in: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. These are the essential nutrients your body needs in large amounts. Understanding the role of each macronutrient is crucial for bodybuilding success. In the following sections, we'll break down each macronutrient, exploring their importance and best sources. Remember, you are what you eat, so choose your fuel wisely. Proteins are the building blocks of muscle tissue, playing a crucial role in the development and maintenance of muscle mass. They are essential for muscle repair and growth, especially after intense workouts when muscle fibers are broken down and need to be rebuilt stronger. Aim to include a good source of protein in every meal to support continuous muscle recovery and growth. Good sources include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and tofu. These foods provide high-quality protein that your body can easily utilize. Carbohydrates provide your body with the energy it needs to power through workouts, ensuring you have the stamina to perform at your best. They replenish your glycogen stores, which are your muscle's primary energy source, helping you recover faster and be ready for your next training session. Complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are ideal as they provide a steady release of energy and keep you feeling full longer. Fats often get a bad rap, but they are essential for hormone production, brain function, and overall health. They also help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Focus on healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats support heart health and provide long-lasting energy. Avoid unhealthy trans fats and limit saturated fats as they can lead to health issues such as heart disease and inflammation. Remember, the key is balance. A well-rounded diet that includes the right proportions of proteins, carbs, and fats will support your fitness goals and overall well-being. Aim for a macronutrient ratio that aligns with your individual goals and activity level. Tracking your intake can help you stay on target and make necessary adjustments. Consider consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist to determine the optimal ratio for you. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and goals. Supplements can play a role in your bodybuilding journey, but they should never replace a healthy diet. Think of supplements as tools to enhance your nutritional intake and support your training efforts. Protein powders, for example, can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, especially if you struggle to meet your needs through whole foods alone. Creatine is another popular supplement that has been shown to improve strength and muscle mass. Before adding any supplements to your regimen, it's essential to do your research. Consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine if they are right for you and to ensure they won't interact with any medications you're taking. Section 5. The art of training building muscle the right way. Training is where the magic happens. It's where you challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. But it's not just about lifting heavy weights. It's about training smart and training safe. The concept of muscle hypertrophy is key to understanding how muscles grow. Hypertrophy refers to the increase in the size of muscle fibers. This occurs when you consistently challenge your muscles with resistance training. To maximize muscle growth, you need to follow a few key principles. We'll delve into these principles: progressive overload, compound and isolation exercises, consistency, and proper form, in the following sections. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to training. Section 6. Progressive overload, the key to unlocking growth. Progressive overload is the cornerstone of muscle growth. It's a fundamental principle that every serious athlete and fitness enthusiast should understand and apply. It simply means gradually increasing the demands you place on your muscles over time. This can be done in a variety of ways, each method contributing to your overall strength and muscle development. Your body adapts to the stress you put on it. When you consistently push your limits, your muscles respond by growing bigger and stronger. By consistently challenging your muscles to do more than they're used to, you force them to adapt and grow stronger. This is the essence of progressive overload. You can achieve progressive overload in several ways. Each method can be tailored to fit your personal fitness goals and current level of strength. You can increase the weight you lift, which is the most common method. You can also increase the number of sets and reps you perform, adding more volume to your workouts. Or you can increase the frequency of your training sessions, ensuring your muscles are regularly challenged. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Remember, consistency is key. Without it, progress will be slow and minimal. Make progressive overload a gradual and sustainable process. This ensures long-term success and minimizes the risk of burnout. Avoid increasing the weight or intensity too quickly, as this can lead to injury. Safety should always be your top priority. Listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels challenging, yet manageable. This balance is crucial for steady and safe muscle growth. Section 7. Compound versus isolation exercises, a powerful partnership. Compound exercises work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, while isolation exercises target a single muscle group at a time. Both types of exercises have their place in a well-rounded bodybuilding program. Compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses should form the foundation of your training. They are highly effective for building overall strength and muscle mass. Isolation exercises such as bicep curls, triceps extensions, and leg extensions are great for targeting specific muscles and refining your physique. They can help address muscle imbalances and enhance muscle definition. Section 8. The importance of rest and recovery. Recovery is just as important as training when it comes to building muscle and making progress. It's during rest that your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to injury and hinder your progress. Post-workout nutrition is crucial for replenishing glycogen stores and providing your muscles with the nutrients they need to recover. Consume a meal or snack containing both protein and carbohydrates within 30 to 60 minutes of finishing your workout. In addition to post-workout nutrition, getting enough sleep is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Section 9. Sleep, the ultimate recharger. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's one of the most powerful tools for muscle recovery and growth. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a key player in muscle repair and protein synthesis. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. This allows your body ample time to recover from your workouts and rebuild muscle tissue. Consider establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine to improve the quality of your sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, as they can interfere with your sleep patterns. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment to promote restful sleep. Prioritizing sleep is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of commitment to your bodybuilding goals. Section 10. Active recovery, keeping your body primed. Active recovery involves engaging in low-intensity exercises on your rest days. This helps improve blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and promote recovery. Light activities like walking, swimming, cycling, or yoga can be great options for active recovery. These activities help deliver nutrients to your muscles and flush out waste products, aiding in the recovery process. Stretching and foam rolling are also beneficial for active recovery. Stretching improves flexibility and range of motion, while foam rolling helps release muscle knots and improve tissue quality. Incorporate these practices into your routine to enhance recovery and prevent injury. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the journey, unleash your potential. Bodybuilding is a journey of self-discovery, a path that reveals your true strength and resilience. It's about pushing your limits, embracing the process, and transforming your body and mind. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger. It's not about overnight successes or shortcuts. True transformation takes time, effort, and unwavering commitment. It's about consistency, dedication, and a genuine passion for the iron. Every day you show up, you are one step closer to your goals. Remember to celebrate your small victories along the way. These milestones are the building blocks of your ultimate success. Every rep, every set, every drop of sweat, every workout is a step closer to your goals. Each effort you put in is a testament to your dedication. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance when you need it. Seeking advice can provide new perspectives and techniques. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who inspire and motivate you. A strong support system can make all the difference. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Embrace the challenges, learn from your setbacks, and cherish the progress you make. Never stop striving for progress. Each day is a new opportunity to improve and grow. The path to bodybuilding success is paved with hard work, determination, and an unwavering belief in your potential. Your journey is unique and powerful. Now go out there, unleash your inner athlete, and sculpt your masterpiece. Your potential is limitless, and your journey is just beginning.